Okay, please subscribe my Engineers Well Online. Okay, this is a normal this is a normal Android mobile phone on screen, and in this video we are showing something different. We must press the settings, and from the settings we are going to the additional setting, and from the additional setting we are picking accessibility like this, and from this accessibility we are going to pick the option called color inversion. You can see here it is color inversion, and a button you can see closer to this. It is currently in off position, and we are going to turn it on now. We turn it on now, and you can see that the overall appearance have been changed, or you can see that here everything have been changed here. So this is the way to enable color inversion in Android phone. So remember, go to setting, and from setting you must choose the additional setting, and from the additional setting you must move to the accessibility, and from the accessibility you must pick this one, that is the color inversion. And if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off and back to the normal position once again. So hope you understood how to enable color inversion or how to disable color inversion in this Android smartphone. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers Online. Thank you.